Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the updated guide of how to delete your Facebook account. So from your Facebook, tap on the menu settings, tap that gear icon on the upper right corner for you to see the settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to see this Meta Account Center, tap on it, and then you will see this. Under it, you can see the connected experiences and you will see your accounts and personal details. So tap on the personal details and tap on account ownership and control. And here you will be able to deactivate or delete your account. So to start the process, select first the profile that you wish to deactivate or delete from your Facebook account. So for example, this one, all you have to do is to tap delete account or deactivate account and then tap continue. So when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.